All right, so I believe this is week 4, actually. I think I forgot to do week 3. So this is my progress using the Nouritress Pro Stimulating Shampoo and Conditioner. Here is the shampoo. Whoopsie. There we go. And I've been using it for, this is like week 4. So check the growth. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I couldn't even get, it was like this long. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. My little afro over here. You see? Super long over here. Super long back here. Long in here. Short. But if you look at my old video, wow. How that has changed. And then my hair in the front, you know, it's kind of long. So this was the part that broke off right in here. But look at that. I couldn't even grab that. Yo, that's crazy. Right? And so the only thing that I'm going to do now is put in some of this, what is it called? Hair follicle therapy. So that's all I've been doing, using the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair follicle therapy. And this is, like I said, week 4. And yo, I'm going to be popping by June or July. Look at me. I'll be back.